Um, Verena Papin, or Verena Papin, she's an artist from Germany, based in Main, Germany, but born in Frankfurt originally. I came across this work, which to me appears to be one of the most spiritual works, and it feels as if the artist here has a lot to say in the inner self, has a lot to speak, holds a lot inside. And that comes because I see a lot of faces, eyes that look. I see mouths that are in a silent position but open. I see birds. And to me personally, birds are the symbol of course, the freedom, but the symbol of the bridge of communication. And that's how I see it here in this work. It's amazing. What really strikes me the most, it's amazing how you were able to put so many faces and so many creatures looking like objects or people, and yet they're all visible. There's not one soul that goes unnoticed. And amongst them, very masterfully, Verena, you were able to also make this transition from a regular human face, or somewhat very close to human, to an animal, or different strata of people. I see sometimes nobility, you know, of the past eras, like a king or a prince or a colonel of an army, and then I see very different creatures that are not humans. So all this beautiful juxtaposition does not go unnoticed. Like every single thing is so present and so out to the face of the viewer, to the eyes, that it's just not enough to look at it when you think it's just sufficiently, you've sufficiently looked at it. I was getting many musical hits, but I would love to play today for you a piece that I want to adapt to this, and I'll give it the same title. It's a piece that I really love, and yes, here it is. back as I think about your work, Verena, and as I hear the music of it now at a different place, because it feels very different to play the music when you're actually looking at the painting. I feel like I didn't want to end it. And as you can notice, the piece is always a piece that it's ongoing, the musical piece, because so you have constructed this work. This work is an ongoing one. The thoughts or the feelings inside these creatures, they never end. They have so much to tell. And I feel like the personality, the artist too, I believe is connected with it. So you must be an artist who has a lot to tell. And it must feel beautiful. It's a never-ending one. That's the core of what I wanted to deliver to you. That the piece, I just want to put it on repeat. I want to make it so linear, so it just keeps going, but it never feels that it has consumed itself. And it's very rare to create such an effect. And thank you for doing that. Thank you.